I'm going to go over the steps to assemble the Simplay3 dig-free, easy-up classic mailbox. Turn the two base pieces upside down and position them so that the tongue piece slips into the groove. You have 4 threaded sleeves with a flange on one side. You're going to push these into the tongue with the flange towards the inside. In the center, there's 2 areas marked with an arrow. You're going to push your sleeves in there. Now you're going to put the base on the bottom of the post and push it together. Now you're going to screw the 4 bolts into the threaded sleeves. Now you can turn over the mailbox, and we're going to put 2 2¼ inch bolts through the base. There's 2 pre-drilled holes. The threaded bolts have decorative caps. You can hold the decorative cap in place with a pair of pliers or an adjustable wrench and snug it up. On the bottom part of the post, there's 3 indentations on each side. You're going to use 2 2-inch screws in the outside 2 indentations, going down at an angle for more support. You can tap the tip into the plastic with your screwdriver and drive these down into the base. You don't want to over tighten it, just get it snug. Now you can attach your doors to the top of the mailbox. Now you can move your post to where you're going to be setting it up. It comes with a funnel, so you can add 45 pounds to one side of the base, 45 pounds to the other side of the base, and then prop up the post so you can add 10 pounds of sand to the top of the post. Set the box on top of the post. There's 4 screws to hold it in place. You're going to put 2 on each side.